Hi guys, this is Gerry's Passion. So for today's content is about unboxing of this thing. I don't know what it is, but this is a gift given by my friend in the name of Tricia. So we're gonna open this. So let us look at what's inside this wrapper. No. Yeah, I like it. So I don't know what is inside of this. So we're gonna open this now. Hello my friend, this is Gerry's Passion. So we're going to open this gift given by my friend in the name of Tricia. So I'm very excited to open this. What do you think is inside this box? Sa ito na mga kaibigan, bubuksan na po natin. Ano kaya ang laman nito? Ah, wow! Oh my goodness. I love this chocolate. Dairy milk breakaway. Oh, thank you so much. I never expect this. I love this chocolate, you know. Okay, thank you so much dyan sa kaibigan ko, Tricia. Sa pagbigay ito ng Cadbury chocolate. I love this. You know, since was a young boy, I really love chocolate. Of all the dairy milk product, no? I love chocolate. Yes lang ka. Yeah, I really love chocolate. So, to my friend Tricia, thank you so much for your gift. Thank you for this Cadbury Daily Milk. I love this. Thank you so much, my friend. God bless you more. And take care. And thank you for this chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. Kainin ko ito mamaya. But ilagay ko muna to sa refrigerator. I did not really expect something. But thank you for this also. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So yun, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. God bless. This is Gerry's Passion. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.